Welcome back, students. Now our topic is modulation index. Before going to modulation index, I want to submit a point in previous discussion. In this modulated AM signal, I want to miss a point that is envelope. You just remember envelope. Okay, what is envelope? Here we observe a line on the yeah, um, modulated wave. These line are called as envelope. Okay, so envelope means a imaginary line that touches all the amplitudes of the modulated signal. Okay, actually this is it is a imaginary line. Okay, imaginary line, this is called as envelope. You just remember that in that envelope um, in that envelope, in the detection process, in the detection of the demodulation of the amplitude modulation, this envelope means the peaks of the amplitudes points are collected in the technique. We discussed it later. You just remember here that is the line, imaginary line in the which is the at the which is at the modulated output. Okay, next we're coming to next topic, modulation index. The modulation index, the equation or the another form or another equation or another derivation of the mu modulation index is a maximum by a minimum by a maximum plus a minimum. Actually, we know mu equal to am by ac, mu equal to am by ac in m standard equation. Also, mu equal to a maximum by a minimum by a maximum plus a minimum. How how it look, or how it like that scenario is in, I explain in just a minute, 1 minute, wait. Okay, this is the derivation of the modulation index. Here I observe mu is the am by ac. Always for the better modulation, this modulation index is play a vital role. I already told in previous class. The modulation index for the better modulation, it should be unity, it should be lower than the unity. So what we observe here, this is the message signal, this is the am and this is the minus am, lower peak and higher peak to peak amplitude. For example, the maximum in by observing the modulated wave, the maximum amplitude or the maximum value occurs at a maximum is at ac plus am level. I mentioned already in previous class. At this place the amplitude is ac plus am. At this place ac minus am. You just remember in mind that modulated wave of the am signal. Okay, so it means I write like this: a maximum equal to ac plus am. Here you also observe, this is the a minimum position, this is the a minimum position, this is the a maximum position. A maximum position means ac plus am, and a minimum at the lowest peak level. the amplitude is AC minus AM. I already told in previous class. So those statements are right in a mathematical form. A max equal to AC plus AM and A minimum equal to AC minus AM. Now subtract 1 from 2. Then the equation is A maximum minus A minimum equal to 2AM. You subtract these two equations from um, sorry subtract 1 from 2. Okay, so now am equal to a maximum minus a minimum by 2. Okay, it just rearrange that equation. So this equation becomes like this: a m equal to a maximum minus a minimum by 2. This is let us this equation is equation 3. Okay, next AC equal to a maximum minus am. You just rewrite equation 1 as like this. Okay, rewrite equation as like this. Then equation 1 becomes AC minus a maximum by a maximum minus am. Now AC equal to a maximum minus am. Now substitute the value of am here. Okay, the value of am is here in place of am. Okay, now the equation like this: a maximum plus a minimum by 2. You just do the LCM, then final equation is a maximum plus a minimum by 2. Let us this equation as 5, equation 5. From from equation 3 and 5 we rewrite as equation as like this: mu equal to am by AC. So substitute the value of am and substitute the value of AC. Then the final equation as like this. This is the final equation of the uh, mu. It means modulation index: a maximum minus a minimum by a maximum plus a minimum. Using this formula, a small questions or important questions are at the gate level. So you concentrate on this for better preparation in gate exams. Okay, so for now, what is the modulation? Different modulations depends upon the modulation index. When I already told, for the effective modulation, the modulation index mu should be lower than unity. So for mu is less than 1, that modulation is called under modulation. Okay, under modulation, because AC by AM. So uh, yeah, AC minus AM, that equation lower than unity, the modulation is like this. This is the under modulation, and also called perfect modulation. When mu equal to 1, this is called critical modulation. It means when mu equal to 1, it means AC equal to AM. When AC equal to AM, then mu equal to 1, because mu equal to AC by AM. So when mu equal to 1, it output AM signal like this. Here there is a lower information. The lower information is present. When mu greater than unity, it means it is called over modulation. If mu is less than 1, it is under modulation. Mu equal to 1, it is critical modulation. If mu greater than 1, it is over modulation. That scenario, lower peaks, there is a distortion, there is no information. Okay, this is about the modulation index. Okay, this is about the modulation index. Just wait one. So um, so the modulation index equal to a maximum minus a minimum by a maximum plus a minimum, that is also am by ac. So the percentage of modulation index is just into 100, am by ac into 100, or a maximum minus a minimum by a maximum plus a minimum into 100. Okay, so I already told under modulation when mu less than 1, critical modulation when mu equal to 1, power modulation when mu greater than 1. Okay, so this is the uh, different modulations depends upon the modulation occurs depends upon the mu, it means modulation index. Okay, this is under modulation, this is critical modulation, this is over modulation. What is over and critical and under modulations are I already told in few minutes ago. Okay, I hope understand this concept of modulation index. I will meet you again in next class. Thank you very much.